Hello, good day everyone. Today our topic is about the color porting duster. As you can see in this picture, we have 5 types of duster. One is red, second one is yellow, third is blue, and fourth is green, and one we have feather duster. Some people are calling this duster like stick duster, feather duster. So today we will talk about where we can use this duster and what is the purpose of the colors. First of all, we talk about this feather duster. As I mentioned, some people are calling this one is stick duster. So this duster is purpose to clean the high level area where our normal duster cannot reach, our hand cannot reach that area. That area we use this duster. For example, as they get it, I never does date. Where our heading right reaching, that area we will be. Second, we will talk about this green color duster. This green color duster is used only for dusty. For example, wardrobe area, wardrobe, wooden part, shelf, marble area, you can do dusting. This marble, golden piece, this area, you can all use green color color porting duster. Next duster we have blue color. Blue color duster is only used for the glass area. For example, mirror, table glass, washroom, mirror area. This all area we will use blue color duster and glass cleaner chemical. So it's a free rample on the duster. Then they will clean the mirror from valuable water. All the mirror areas, zoom videos, barley, and video color. So for color duster we have the yellow one. The yellow duster we can use only in washrooms, vanity counter area, marble tiles area, walls. We can use yellow color duster. Means the bin is for purpose chemical, and we can clean this vanity counter only with yellow duster. You can clean washroom walls with only yellow duster. Last duster we have the red color porting duster. This color porting duster is only used in dirty area. For example, we have WC, only on WC, and some of the room we have bidet. WC and bidet only we can use night color. Like you can see in this chemical we have WC chemical. Only WC chemical use a black top of duster in you bin. Only use the WC in WC cover buried. We cannot use any other area in this color porting use that only their favor. Then cover is one sort WC. Thank you so much for watching us. Please stay tuned for next video.